Hi everyone. In this video, let me take you through the UiPath Studio Interface and its features for you to get started. There are three flavors of Studio available that you can opt for. They are built to cater to different roles from different developers to business users. Studio X is addressed to business users or citizen developers who want to automate a simple task for themselves or their team. Studio, on the other hand, offers a multitude of tools to design complex and large workflows and ability to run attended and or unattended bots. Studio Pro additionally offers access to test suite features such as application testing, RPA testing, API test automation, and mobile automation. Once you open Studio, you are greeted with a Start tab here. You can open an already existing project or create a new one either from scratch or from the predefined template on the left. Here is the Team tab, and this provides access to source control repositories like Git, TFS, and SVN. The Tools tab allows you to install several extensions that let you automate with browsers and different applications. The Settings tab is the one to look for if you need to configure Studio to better fit your wants and needs. You can change the theme, behavior, paths, or switch to Studio X. By default, the license will be Studio Pro for community users. Let's create a sample process to see a quick glance of the user interface. Fill in the process name, choose its location, type in a description, and click Create. You are then presented with four main sections: the ribbon menu, the designer panel, the project activities and snippets panel, and the properties and outline panels. The ribbon menu is straightforward and can be either minimized or expanded as per your preferences. I have already explained about the Home tab, so let's move to Design. So here you have options to add different automations such as sequences, flowcharts, and state machines to your project. Install and manage activities, packages, build interactions with UI elements, and then publish your work to Orchestrator or custom feeds. Keep in mind that some buttons on the ribbon depend on certain activities and packages in the designer panel. Click Open Main Workflow, and here is where you can add activities to your new process. Click the plus sign in the middle of the screen or hit Ctrl+Shift+T. Search for the one that you need and add it to the flow. It shows an alert notifying us that I need to supply the argument's value. Type in the desired text between quotes and you are done. This is our new simple process and it's ready. The project panel enables you to view the contents of the current project, add folders, open the file location, manage dependencies, and adjust project settings. The Activities panel shows available activities that can be added to the current workflow. Use the search box to find activities or navigate through them by using the navigation keys, and drag and drop them to the current open file. The Snippets panel lets you easily reuse automations. It includes by default multiple samples and snippets, which you can easily drag and drop to your flow. The Properties panel enables you to view and change the properties of the selected activity, while the Outline panel displays the project hierarchy. Here is a glimpse of what you might end up building with Studio. The Debug tab, just as the name suggests, allows you to debug your workflow, set breakpoints, adjust this process speed to monitor the execution, and other useful features. You can also see that when the debugging is paused, the Locals panel comes in handy, allowing you to view and edit values of arguments and variables. There are a couple more things to mention. In the top right corner, you have a command palette, which you can also access by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. This incorporates four very useful search bars: Add Activity, Jump to Activity, Go to File, and Universal Search. And that is all about UiPath Studio. Hope this video was useful and informative. Check out my other videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.